What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about a farm of fortune refunds. Okay, so we had the AMA on the 25th of June, and the 30th of June the appeals period was closed. Okay, that was when they released the check wallet and status Google Sheets. Okay, so eligible for refunds list, and then you had 5 days to appeal if you weren't happy with those figures. Okay, so on the 30th of June the appeal was closed, and then on 2nd of July, they opened the votes. Okay, so how the vote works, it's done through a smart contract. Okay, so I'm going to show you that shortly. Okay, so from the 2nd of July, 19 o'clock UK time, okay, there was an AMA and the voting started, right? And the voting will end tomorrow, 8th of July at 23:59 UK time, okay? And then on 9th of July, which is in 2 days time, all right, so at 19 o'clock UK time, there will be an AMA with the results of the voting period, and then the following day they will begin the refunds. Okay, right. So let me just get out of here. Okay, so if we go to the fortune hunters, fortune hunters telegram group, we can see, where is it, we can see that the majority of the people uh, voted for the option A, which is um, taking a portion of your refunds. Okay, so 185 people voted for the option A, and 13 people voted for the option B. So keep in mind, guys, this was made, when was it? On the 3rd of July, so the following day. Okay, since then we have not an update from this results. Okay, so I don't know how it stands right now. Okay, so how everything works. So all you got to do um, is you come over here to this farm of fortune refund list. Okay, while you had the time to come and check. Okay, if your wallet is here, so if you submit the refunds your wallet should be here and should be either accepted or refused. If it was accepted, okay, you will see the amount that you're supposed to receive. If it was refused, you will see the amount that you will receive, zero. Okay, simple as that. And if your wallet is here, then all you have to do, they have the link right here. If you come over here to the Fortune Hunters announcements chat, okay, you come over here and you got the voting now started. Okay, this is the pin message where you click over here and it will take you to this page. Okay, refund voting. All you got to do is connect the wallet that it's on this list. Not so if you had three wallets, you should only, and you can only connect the wallet that it's on this list right here. So you come over here, you connect your wallets, and then you select, you got the option A right here, and you got the option B right there. Okay, and from there, all you got to do is vote, right? So you'll have to sign on a smart contract, so you have to pay MetaMask gas fee, and that's it. Your votes will be done and dusted, and tomorrow, well, not tomorrow, in 2 days time, the voting will be announced on the Fortune Hunters Telegram via AMA, and then on the 10th they will start the refunds. And that's that, guys. That's the only update that I have in regards to Fortune Hunters. Far more fortune refunds. Okay, it's very simple. All you got to do is come over here, vote, select the wallet that's in this list, and from here you vote option A or option B. So option A will give you a part of your refund, and option B, you will get the full refund in within 10 years, which is a joke, right? It doesn't take 10 years, but whatever. And yeah, that's that, guys. That's the only update that I have in regards to Farm of Fortune, because I know some of you guys are not in the Farm of Fortune Telegram group because you got banned. All right, so yes, that's the update that I have for you. So you have until tomorrow to perform the action if you want to receive your refund, either partial or full refund. You have to take action till tomorrow, 8th of July at until 23:59 UK time. That being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.